So tonight, I'm going to take the Navion out and fly up to our property, not too far away. We'll see how much snow we got over the last week. And yeah, love to take you along.
Coeur d'Alene traffic, Navion 48 kilos, departing runway 2 to the north, Coeur d'Alene.
It's not a long flight at all, about 10 minutes to the northeast, and we'll be there.
There it is, covered in snow. Our garden bed, so go the other way here. Our home site's going to be the garden and our pasture right there.
So we got a little bit of snow. I got some work to do. Gotta go take care of a big tree that fell down. That'll be fun. All right, so now we're heading back to Coeur d'Alene. It's a beautiful night. Snow on the ground. The sun is just setting.
What a beautiful night. Look at this, snowy Coeur d'Alene.
Final runway 2, touch and go, Coeur d'Alene.
Look how pretty that is. My goodness. Never get tired of it. We've got 3 green, hydraulic power's on, gears down and locked. Props full in, fuel pumps on. Coeur d'Alene traffic, Navion 48 kilos, turn in right base for runway 2, Coeur d'Alene. Just flew through some weird wobble or whatever that was. That was weird. That was weird. Okay. Woke me up. And Coeur d'Alene traffic, Navion 48 kilos, turn final for runway 2, Coeur d'Alene. Alright, 3 green, gears down and locked, hydraulic power's on, props forward, fuel pumps on, fuel selector's on the right valve, gears down, here we go. Look at that night, holy cow. Not a lick of wind, this is hopefully going to be a greaser. Close enough. Take it. And Coeur d'Alene traffic, Navion 48 kilos, clear to it, Charlie, Coeur d'Alene.
Coeur d'Alene traffic, Sky Arcade under 1, right downwind, runway 2, Coeur d'Alene.
Alright, that was fun. Good times.